As you can see, I've drawn a number line with a dot on one end and the other end. And this is very similar to the other strategies where we're going to use one number and break apart the other. So let's start with the number 255. Again, I usually like to start with the largest number and count on is the strategy we're really using. So I look at 147 and I say to myself, okay, I'm going to add 100, which gets me to 355. I'm going to look at my next place value, which is a 40. So I'm sorry, this was plus 100. Then we add our next place value, which is the tens place. So we add 40 on to our previous number of 355, which takes us on our number line to 395. Our next step is, again, breaking the numbers apart into smaller pieces to make it more manageable for ourselves. So I see the 7, and I think to myself, well, that's very easily broken up into a 5 and a 2. So I'm going to go ahead and add 5, which gets me to 400. And then my final step is that plus 2. This obviously is not drawn to scale. Add my 2 for my final answer of 402. You can use this strategy the same way, starting with the other number. It would be the same thing. You start with 147, add 200, add the 50, and add 5 more. That strategy would work the exact same way.